course you realize this means war.
Oh! My skin's melting!
This is a dinosaur.
Wow! That is relatable! And send this trash back to Koopa!
I did the most.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
It's fucking Garfield!
Oh, shit.
Kill him!
Wait a
Everybody get
minute.
this motherfucking Garfield!
Let's get up. I'd say he's hot on the. Wow!
Give me back this magic wand!
What's the magic word?
Please.
There you go.
Thank you.
We should give you back what's yours!
Go away.
I have to go now.
The kangaroo got the money.
Just what we need to make sure Koopa really did learn his lesson.
He has something to tell you, boss.
Well, we did exactly what you said to do.
And send this trash back to Koopa!
You what?
How can you do this to us, Marty? No. I thought we were your friends.
Well, that's good, because we missed you.
Am I glad I don't live here?
Your trash dumping days are through, Koopa!
Everyone at the Head Enhancement Clinic said nobody would notice.
See, King Dad? Those humans are getting better by the minute.
Mario, what's big and green and follows you everywhere you go?
Luigi,